Hey guys, Southern Railfan here to give a tour on the 2nd Street Railroad crossing in Tuscumbia, Alabama. First signal, we got a Siemens base. A Siemens imprinted gate mechanism. Emergency information, dot tag is 731-950M. Lights on the signal are 12 by 20 inch lights with GE uniform look fading LEDs in them. Bell on the signals, a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. I believe we got some RECO gate lights. Here's facing south toward Old Memphis Road. They got some like track ties around here. And here's facing north toward, I think the next crossing is Montgomery Street. Oh wait, no, it's Douglas Avenue. No, street. Douglas Street is the next one. After this, going north. Second signal, we got a Siemens base. Another Siemens imprinted gate mechanism. The emergency information. More 12 by 20 inch Safetran lights with GE uniform look fading LEDs in them. I'm assuming we got some more RECO gate lights. Got another General Signals Type 3 electronic bell on here. One more look at the crossing. This is the Southern Railfan. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.